Seeing lint coming out of your dryer vent outside in Lake Worth, Florida? That's a warning sign your dryer vent system may need professional attention. Excess lint outside your vent can indicate restricted airflow or a damaged dryer vent. Left unchecked, it can reduce dryer efficiency and signal that repairs may be needed. For trusted dryer vent repair, Lake Worth, Florida, choose Dryer Vent Wizard of Delray Beach and Boynton Beach. Our trained technicians inspect, repair, and restore dryer vent systems to help improve safety, airflow, and dryer performance. Schedule your professional dryer vent service today with Dryer Vent Wizard of Delray Beach and Boynton Beach. Call 561-894-0010 or visit dryerventwizard.com.